Ah. ಅದೇ ವಾಲ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂದ ವಾಲ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಯಿಂದ ಲೈವ್ ಮಾರೆ ಓಕೆ this is Toronto Jameson area. Here is TD Bank. Okay. So we have Tim Horton in front. TD Bank is Tim Horton. This is a grocery store, Indian grocery store, department store. Severity company. Queen Street. Queen Street goes from east to west. This road is called Limestone Avenue. see up there. School building. This school has a swimming pool, which is to the side, indoor swimming pool. And this is for the summer break. This is summer break. Today is August 11, 2022. There are two buildings, apartment buildings. They look very much alike. I don't know what is this plant. It looks now leaking, but it must have looked very nice a few weeks back. This is you can park that area. Playground. School for children. Toronto, Canada. Summer into August, end of August, mid of September. And after that, winter sets in, which is very cold. it can go up to minus 40 centigrade. So that is the Canada weather. By the way, Canada is very near to North Pole. So sun gets hot there. Bridge here. At this corner, the Gordon family lives. You can buy jump off from this one. There's a bridge crossing for railway. But this is for local train. Canada, within the Canada. It's called GO train, G-O train. Somewhere up there. There are some railway engines that just over the head. Over the sound. So now I will either one up this step or walk across this. Oil printing. Oil is waterproof. Yeah, we are approaching the body country. Welcome to grocery store. Just on the left. These groceries are called No Frill. F-R-I-L-L. No Frill. They have a good assortment of almost anything that people want to eat. I want to talk about this tree. This tree is called mango tree. Mango tree. Watch this leaves. It has a peculiar shape. It looks like fan. This is very good if you can use it as a tree or any. You can also put the leaves, dried leaves in your daily soup. This is very good for memory. It's one of the oldest tree in the universe, ginkgo tree. Also, if you love trees, flowers, as we have fingerprints, the fingerprint we know who is who. Likewise, the fingerprint of trees are their leaves. You can take a photograph, and there's an app. You can upload that and it will tell you what tree it is or what flower it is. Leaves are the identity of any green plant that produces leaves. So here we are at junction, and this is here at the junction called Dundas and Lansdowne. Dundas and Canadian signature, Tim Hortons tea and snack. Yes, it's equivalent to Starbucks. Yes. Now we are at junction. This is another junction. I guess this is the college. I have to now go to College Street. I left behind Lansdowne. I walk as much as I can. Walk from Jensen to Walmart and back to home. So it's around 2 kilometers and 2 kilometers, around 5 kilometers of walk. And then there's another place that I walk to. It is called Spadina, famously known as Chinatown. Chinatown, a little further than maybe 2 kilometers further. Today, food. This is College Street. So, crossing it. Which car here? Always Walmart. Walmart is created within another big mall called Dufferin Mall. There are many other stores too. This Walmart is within the Walmart. Some Walmarts are called superstore. That means they carry, besides the usual Walmart items, they carry local groceries too. So you have the option to buy from Northfield, or you can buy groceries from Walmart. There used to be another grocery store, a huge one. I forgot its name. I think 10, 15 years back it was shut down. Canada has huge land, but its population is very low, 30 million. It's at 30 million. Compared to America, America too has huge land, and as America we have 4 time zones: East, Central, Mid, and West time zone. So time differences are also quite big. So, but America has 300 million population. So if you want varieties of shoes, clothing, you will find it in America, not in Canada. Canada has only 30 million. So when I was purchasing suits, coat and trouser suits, they have only even numbers. Odd numbers are not available. That you have to. Okay, from Toronto, it is 2-hour drive to USA border. So you can go and purchase things from Buffalo. Our border with the USA is called Buffalo border. And one thing more, if you go in the morning, you can buy things and come back, but Canadian government at the border will put a hefty tax on you because you are not supposed to buy things from the USA within 24 hours. That is permissible items. You can 24 hours. However, if you go and live in America for a week, yeah, then you can buy items, I think around $200 worth. To cross border from Canada, if you're a Canadian citizen, to USA or Europe, as long as you're a Canadian citizen and you have a Canadian passport, you don't need visa. So you can just travel any day, any time. So here is the problem with India. I think 2 years back No, 3 years back I applied for a visa to India for 10 years because I often go visit India for pilgrimages like Lord Gaya, Saranath, Varanasi and so on, and they gave me 10-year visa. And after that, 2019 March, I guess, I returned to Canada, and COVID struck. I was very lucky I got the plane. I guess that was the last plane leaving India for Canada. So I just arrived at Canadian airport. Very lucky. And then everything stuck home. Everybody. No one is allowed to leave. So that was the COVID's, what do you call this, consequence for being so careless with the virus when it struck China. They could have contained it and saved millions of lives. Yeah, that building is Dufferin Mall, it is called. No, so yeah, it's Dufferin Mall. Within that, Walmart is there. So there we go. And then Indian government revoked or cancelled 10-year visa. So here I am once again thinking of applying for 10-year visa. And so there you go. It's so confusing. I have to start all over again. 10-year visa is not just walking. You have to give all those reasons. Yeah, I'll say the same reason. And now we are entering Walmart or the Dufferin Mall. Okay. There's an eatery place. Once replacement for the one last year. This used to be some other name. Diloni Electronics. This is Canada. Popcorn, there it is. This one only, this one